In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 things I like about my Renault Megane 3 from 2013. First is going to be the engine. This is a 1.5 diesel engine, 110 horsepower. This is a reliable engine. I have an average of 6 liters of diesel per 100 kilometers. The second thing I like about this car is the BOSE system, the BOSE sound system. Actually, this is a package. This is the BOSE line, I think it's called, and it has a couple of changes. For example, the blocked mirrors and this black thing over here on the side, and it has the BOSE system right over here, and underneath over here I have the subwoofer. The third thing I like about this car is the boot. I don't know what is the size of this boot, but I have this car for 3 years now, and we had multiple vacations, and me and my wife and my 9-year-old son doesn't have any issues by loading this boot. Actually, it has the same, I think, the same volume like the boot from the VW Touareg first generation that I own as well. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.